It took me about 6 months to decide to buy a self-mastery program, but after I bought it, I never have any moment of doubt.
I highly recommend it to everyone. My experience it is that I'm in a best balance of my physical condition and mental condition.